This just in, my government spies from an undisclosed North Korean agency stole the script to Star Wars Episode VIII, The Force Takes a Bath. As the movie opens, Luke Skywalker pulls his lightsaber into his grip, and he jumps off the cliff and dives down to his X-Wing fighter, which plunges off into the stratosphere at light speed, where he goes to console his sister Leia, who has just discovered that her son is an asshole with helmet hair. And then we never see anything of them ever again, because nobody listens to the elderly anyway. Meanwhile, Poe and Finn go to give each other a big bear hug, and they realize it's been quite a while since they've had a bath. So in that brotherly love sort of romantic way, they decide to take a steam sauna together. And let me tell you, when the towel drops, something rises, leading to the very first example of interstellar sexual liberation, which I must say has been notably lacking in this entire series. Although, I have had my suspicions about Lando Calrissian. Back on the dark side of the moon, the evil son with helmet hair is overseeing plans to build the Death Meteor. It's not the Death Star, it's not the Death Planet, it's not Def Leppard, it's the Death Meteor. And let me tell you, 50 million dinosaurs will tell you there is nothing as deadly. Kylo Ren is aiming his Death Meteor at the intersection of Hollywood and Vine, because nothing kills creative and intelligent filmmaking like an action movie with super mega box office success. Where is the Last Jedi when we need her the most? Will Jar Jar Binks make a surprise entrance and save humanity? Should I audition for the role of Han Solo? Only the Force knows. I'm making a really fun movie for you called Professor Tomfoolery Saves the Planet. And the budget for this film is a little bit less than The Force Awakens, by several $billion. However, I still need some help finishing it out, and please, if you can make a contribution to Paul at paulbrightfilms.com through PayPal, that would be greatly appreciated. The actors would love it, the costume designer would love it, the graphic artist would love it, the musicians would love it. So thank you very much. Of course, I'd love it too.